Good morning students, welcome to LPSRS Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 8, Chapter 7, Cube and Cube Root. In previous lecture we learned about exercise 7.1 and up to question number 2 we have already completed. Let's start with question number 3. In this question we have to find smallest number by which each of the following number must be divided to obtain perfect cube. So let's we take first example 81. For the 81, first of all we have to find the prime factors of the 81. So prime factors of the 81, first of all we here 2 is not divisible with the 81. Okay, 81 is not divisible with 2, so we take the next prime number 3 over here. So 81 divided by 3 it gives 27. Then after 27 divided by 3 that is gives 9. Okay, in this way we can find the prime factors 3, 3, 3 and 3. In this way this is the prime factors of the 81, that is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 4 times. So here one factor is 3 not group in the triple. Here 3 है जो ट्रिपल की पेयर में नहीं है. Here 3 is repeated up to 4 times. If it is repeated up to 3 times or 6 times, we can say that 81 is perfect cube. But here it repeated 4 times, so it is not perfect cube. Okay, so therefore must be divided with the 3, because जो 3 की 3 पेयर्स है. ओके, सो 3 एक एक्स्ट्रा है तो उसको डिवाइड करके हम उसको परफेक्ट क्यूब है वो बना सकते हैं. लेट्स वी टू अनदर एग्जांपल, दैट इज a 128. In the 128, prime factors of 128, that is, let's we find here 128 is divisible with the 2. So let's we divide 128 with the help of 2, that is 64. Then after 64 is divided by 32. Then after 32 is divided by 16. Then after 16 is divided by 8. Then after 8 is divided by 2. So in this way we can find the prime factors 2 2 2 2 2 2 up to 7 times. So here you know that we want only pair of the 3 numbers. Okay, so 2 is 3 times here, another 2 is 3 times here, but 2 is extra here. So we have to remove this last 2 with the help of division. So after that division we have to make perfect cube. Okay, so in this way you can make the perfect cube of 128 over here. Let's we take 135. In the 135, first of all it is not 2, it is not divisible with the 2, so we have to divide it with the help of 3. So after dividing with the help of 3 we got the 45 over here. Then after divide 45 with the help of 3, that is a 15. Then after we have to divide 15 with the help of 3, that is a 5, and 5 ones are 5. Okay, so here the prime factors of 135, that is a 3 3 3 and 5. Here you can see that 3 3 3 is pair of 3 3s. Okay, so here 5 is extra to make a cube, so we have to divide 135 with the help of 5 to make a perfect cube. In this way you can find the any kind of value. Let's we to last 192. In the 192, you are here the last digit of the 192, that is a 2, so it is divisible with the 2, because by using the key of the 2, that is, we know that the 192 is divided by 2. Then after 192 divided by 2, it gives 96. Then after 96 divided by 2, that is 48. Then 48 divided by 2, that is a 24. In this way up to last, you can see that 6 is not sorry, after dividing 6 with the help of 2, you got the 3, and at the last we have to divide 3 with the help of 3, so we got the remainder 1. In this way you can got the prime factors of the 192 in this way. 2 is 3 times, another 2 is 3 times, and 3 is extra, so we have to divide this 3 with the help of dividing 3. So in this way we got the perfect cube. Okay, so 192 must be divided with the 3, that is a perfect cube. Here 704, you have to try in your homework. Okay, so this example is in your homework, so try it in your homework. In the question number 4, Parikshit makes a cuboid of the plastic of side 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? So here we have to make a cuboid 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. You all know how can we draw the cuboid. First of all, draw the rectangle, then after draw this kind of cuboid you have. Okay, so this is the method of drawing cuboid. So in cuboid, the length of cuboid is 5, breadth of cuboid is 2, and depth of cuboid is 5. Okay, so factors 5 and 2 both are in not group, and therefore the number must be multiplied with the 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So 2 multiplied by 5, that is a 20, to make a perfect cube. Hence he needs 20 cuboid. So we have to needs 20 cuboid, because here you can see that 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, this is not perfect cube number. So to make this 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 cuboid, we must be have the pair of 3 average. Let's we make pair of 3. Here you can see that 5 is 2 times, so we have to multiply to make 5 in 3's pair. We have to multiply extra 5 here and extra pair of 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so here we can got the 3 5 and 3 2s by using this. So we have to multiply extra 20 to make this number as a cuboid. Okay, so it required 20 to make a perfect cuboid. Let's we start exercise 7.2. We only have to solve one example only because of time limit. Let's exercise 7.2, question number 1. Find the cube root of the each of the following number by using prime factorization method. We have to continue with the prime factorization method which we learned in the previous exercise. Let's we take first example 64. It is easiest example, nothing else. Okay, so you have to solve this kind of example easily. Let's we take 64. 64 is divisible with 2, which is the smallest prime factor. So this prime number is help to divide the 64 with the help of 32, and 32 is divisible with the help of 2, that is a 16, and 16 is divisible with 2, that gives 8 over here, and 8 is divided by 2, that is a 4, and 4 is divided by 2, that is a 2. In this way we can find the 64. Okay, so 2 2 2 and 3 3 3, having in this way we can get the two pairs of the 3 3 of the 2. Okay, 2 is 3 times multiplied and another 2 is also 3 times multiplied with each other. So here cube root, this is the sign of cube root. So cube root of this two pair is written as 2 multiplied by 2 over here. Okay, so in this way you can solve any example 512 that is in your homework. Okay, thank you so much. Another example we will solve in next lecture. Okay, thank you, next time, goodbye.